Hello everyone, my name is Aditi, working as an intern under Lexus Company. Now we will discuss the exception of doctrine of privity of contract. As a general rule, only the party of the contract is entitled to sue each other, but now the passage of the time exception is the general rule have come, allowing an even stranger to contract to the prosecute. Their exception are: first, a beneficiary under a contract. If a contract has been entered into by the two person for the benefit of a third person not being a party, then in the event of failure by the any party to perform his part, the third party can enforce his right against the other. For example, in a contract between Alex and James, beneficiary right is respect to some property may be created in favor of Robin. In the case, Robin can enforce his claim in the basis of the rights. The concept of beneficiary under a contract has been highlighted in the case of Muhammad Khan versus Hajuni Begum. Second is conduct, acknowledgement or admission. There can be a situation in which, although there may be no privity of contract between the two parties, but one of them has the law of estoppel. For example, if A enter into a contract with B, A will pay 5,000 every month to B during the lifetime. After that, his son C. A also acknowledged his transaction in the presence of C. Now, if A defaults, C can sue, although no directly to a party of the contract. Third is provision for the maintenance or marriage under family agreement. This type of provision is treated as an exception to the doctrine of privity for protecting the right of family members which are not likely to speak and share, and also to give maximum efforts to the will of the tester. For example, if A gives a property in equal portion to his three sons with a condition that after his death the three sons will give 10,000 to C, the daughter of A. Now she can prosecute if any of them fail to obey this. Thank you.